As you can see on the timeline of this video, in this particular video today, I'm going to walk you through a process that's going to make you over $150 in a single week. And before that, let me show you my account so you can see for yourself, like I've made this kind of money for myself within the last 7 days. So, I walk myself through what I'm going to teach you, and I have the knowledge to dish out to you right now. So if I log into my account right here, you can see I have 2 accounts. They ask me to verify. So once I verify that, so I'm going to log into my account. My account is loading up. So right here, I will come over to affiliates and dashboard. So if I click on dashboard, as you can see, yesterday I earned only $9.45, and the last 7 days I've been able to earn $177 for myself. And this is just basically simple, and I'm going to walk you through the process. So this is not my only account. So if I come over right here to my other account and I sign in, so if I click on login and I check the stats again, you are going to see this kind of money is being made on here as well. So if I come over to dashboard right here, as you can see, the last 7 days I've been able to earn 165 USD, and it's just something simple like that. As you can see, I still have 4 new sales notifications that I've not checked. So if you want to learn how this money is being made, stick around to this video to the very end and learn how to make that kind of money. So welcome back to the channel. In this particular video, as I've explained earlier, we want to make over $150 in a single week. It's possible, don't panic. And I'm going to walk you through the process, how I've been able to generate this kind of money for myself on my 2 accounts, as I've showed you earlier. So, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to base on 1 account so I don't make anything complicated to you. But the very platform that we want to use is called Warrior Plus, and what we want to do right here is to promote affiliate products. Something simple. So all you need to do, let me log out this account so I can walk you through the process from start on how to set up Warrior Plus account and all those like. So your very first thing, you come over to warriorplus.com. The link is in the description below. So you click on free sign up. So once you click on free sign up right here, you input your username, your preferred username, the password and email, then you confirm you are not a robot, then you create an account. Once you create an account, they are going to send you a verification code to your email, so you're going to input that, and once that's done, the next thing is to sign in to your account. So I'm going to sign into this account, so we'll get down to work and how it's going to happen. So the very first thing we need to do once you sign into your account is to come over right here. You come over to your account right here. So once you come over to your account, you click on edit profile. So once you click on edit profile right here, so you need to fill out all this information. You connect your account, as you can see. So I have my logo right there, so you fill all this, because me, since I've connected these 2 accounts, that's why I not fill this up, because these 2 accounts have my name on them. So that's why. So you connect everything, you connect 2 accounts like this, and you can do well to fill out your information. And once that's done, you come over to affiliate. So we get on to work like that. You come over to affiliate right here, then you click on offers. So once you click on offers, you are going to see a lot of products, a whole lot of products right here that you can promote, and the commission you are going to earn. But before that, I have a metrics that I use to select products. So it's by coming over to muncheye.com. All the links to this website is in the description below. So you search Muncheye and you see this. So if you come over to muncheye.com, right here, what this website does is like you are going to see the details of a particular product, the day it was launched, and all the information around it, like a radio station for affiliates where vendor come and announce their products. You get. So as you can see right here, you can see all launches. There's a product, this product is going live today, and this on Warrior Plus, and this, you see right there. But we want to select something that is launched or recently launched, not long time ago. Is either the products you want to promote should be launched a week before, or a week ahead. That will be launched a week ahead. Is it that it's launched a week before, or 2 weeks before, or a week ahead? The reason why is that you want to do affiliate marketing with launch jacking. It's launch jacking that's going to make us that kind of money, because people have been aware of this particular product you want to choose, and they will be looking for reviews. So you want to write a particular review for the product, and I'm going to show you, even without a website, I'm going to show you the process and how you are going to get your article rank on Google to make your sales. It's just something simple, and that's what I want to show you to this video. So now you come over right here. So today's products, I don't think I can meet up with that, because before the vendor approve my link, it's going to be a tough time. So all I need to do right here is to select a product that was launched recently, or the one that's going live, that went live yesterday. So right here I have this Matrix AI. So if I click on this right here and I open it in a new tab, as you can see, This product is selling for $10, and this product is going to pay us 100% commission. Wow, this is very massive. So as you can see right here, Matrix AI is going to pay us 100% commission on the front end. So if I click on JV page, this JV page is like a website that's created by the vendor where the informations about the products will be provided, like maybe the email swipes, and I'm still going to teach email marketing on this channel. So do well to subscribe to this channel, like this video and share it to your friends so we can scale up together. So right here you can see the affiliate docs, so affiliate link, affiliate swipe. This is for email marketing. This is the document, maybe the picture or the likes. So we are going to need that, but when we get there I will let you know. So right here we want to get our affiliate link. So if I click on grab affiliate link, it's going to redirect you to the Warrior Plus product itself. So but before we request, we want to get to know what this product is all about. It said get your hand on highly valuable and top-notch marketing leads products which you get. So if I click on right here, view sales page, you want to view the sales page and want to get to know what we have on there. It said get your hands on these highly valuable and top-notch marketing leads. Once we have the product and we get to know what it's all about, so you need to check out is the funnel. You come over to the funnel. As you can see, the front page is going to give us 100% commission, and the rest is going to give us 50% commission to 20%, which is the highest. What's going to happen now is we just need around 20 sales to hit. We need 15 sales or something around that to hit $150 per week. So it's just something simple, 15, something simple. So you come over right here to the home page, you click on request approval, then you are going to type a message to this person. Said I am interested in promoting this offer of yours. So once you input that, you click on request. So it's going to send a request to the person, and you wait till you get an email notification that this person have approved you. You understand? But let's hope he approved me already by that. So I'm going to come over to my affiliate right here. So I'm going to pick up a link for a particular product I've been approved for earlier. So I'm going to copy my claim link right here. Then I'm going to come over to my online documents, so which is what counter. So I'm going to have that link saved in there. Okay, I'm coming and Control V. So here is the affiliate link. So I know what this AI does. It's just something around. Okay, this is an AI as well, so it's just marketing education video you get. So I'm going to walk you through the process, how you're going to promote this product once you get approved. So make sure you stick around and you learn, you get. So the next thing once we get our link is to try to do some research around what people are looking for about this particular product. So you come over to google.com. we want to do some research, so we can know how to target our people. So you come over right here. So once you get to the google.com, you're going to copy the name of the product you want to sell. You copy, then you paste it right here. So if you paste it right here, you're going to put review. As you can see, review, and we are going to see. You see, this is an article, this is an article, this is an article 2 days ago, this is an article, this is an article, this is an article. So you want to do exact same thing, and it's just something easy with ChatGPT. But before we get to ChatGPT, you come over right here, you go to your LinkedIn. If you don't have a LinkedIn account, LinkedIn is one of the best social media or that allow you to write article and they will rank it for you. So that's what I've been using to generate sales lately. So if I come over to my profile right here, to my profile, as you can see, in the last 90 days I have 13 profile view and I have post impression because I've not been really active on here. So if I check, you can see this is my review, this is my review of products. So you can see this is what I do. So here is all my reviews. So to get this done is make sure you use a system to log in to get this option, or you switch your phone to desktop site. You understand? It doesn't work on LinkedIn app. So how will you get the article to write? If I click write article right here, so the very first thing is to get information around this. Grab your JV page, then you download the resources that you need. So it's going to come over right here, and come over to the sales page. So I'm going to screenshot one of the picture about this product. Okay, I'm looking forward to screenshots. So right here, I want to screenshot this. So I'm going to search snipping tools on my system. So right here, I'm going to click snipping tools. Then I'm going to snip this part out, which is the name of the, as you can see. So once I snip that out, I'm going to come over right here and I save it to my computer. So once I save that, I'm going to put it right here. Once I save that, the next thing I'm going to do is to come over to ChatGPT. No, okay, let me open a new tab because I'm going to use that page, ChatGPT. So once you come over to ChatGPT right here, all you need to do is to open up an article right here about the review. So you choose the first article, which is on LinkedIn as well, but you don't worry, you are going to override that one and you are going to make the money. It's just something simple. And the metrics. So right here, it said Matrix AI review. So you're going to copy that first, Matrix AI review. You know, that's because I've requested for Matrix, but I'm not promoting Matrix. So I'm going to go back and choose the offer I'm promoting, which is AI stack. So if I come over right here, AI stack, so and I have that right here and I hit, so you're going to see it right here. So I'm going to click on that AI stack review. So as you can see, so I'm going to copy this, then I'm going to come over right here and this is my title. I'm going to paste it here, AI stack review. Then I'm going to put something like it. Does it worth the hype? You get, does it worth the hype? Does it worth the hype? So you know, I've put something like clue here, or let me say hook. So I'm going to adjust this and I'm going to have the image we cropped online right here. As you can see, something simple that way. So we want to write, but we are not going to write anything on our own. I'm going to come over right here and I'm going to copy this text. But hold on, you are not pasting it this way. So once you come to the end of this particular article, you are going to copy here, then you come over to ChatGPT. You tell ChatGPT, write a new content, let me say review, new review content with the article below. Or you can put like generate a new article. Okay, let's use that. Generate a new article with the article below. Then all you need to do is to paste what you copied right here and you send to ChatGPT. So once you send to ChatGPT is going to write a brand new article for you, as you can see. So it's writing, and something simple that way. So ChatGPT is writing for you, it's writing. So all you need to do once that is done is just that you copy everything and you paste it right there on your LinkedIn article page. And with that, you are going to, so I'm going to still continue generating because you are not done yet. And why not? Okay, so we have a brand new article right here. So what I need to do is to copy this from this end and I'm going to come over right here and I have it here. Bam. So once I have it right here, it's just something simple and basically something easy. So what I need to do is to clear all this. So I'm going to clear all this. I'm going to remove link from here. Or you can still leave it that way, you can leave it that way. But this AI stack, make sure you have your affiliate link in there. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to copy my affiliate link. So I'm going to copy that and I'm going to have it right here. Paste, apply. Okay, as you can see. So the next thing you need to do, I'm going to replace this with your link. Paste. So what is I'm going to make this bold. So you are going to format all this. Once you are done formatting everything on this page, then the next thing is to include your call to action. So I'm not going to make that a link. I want to give it a bold, so I can choose heading 1, or let me say heading 2, and I'm going to choose this heading 1. You get, so you can choose this heading 1 as well. So you make sure you make everything in order. See, so you clear this and make this bold, then heading 1, as you can see. So you are going to format all the errors, and once you are done with that, the next thing is to include your call to action. Then you can come over at the end of every explanation features right here. So I'm going to come over right here, and I'm going to hit enter. Then I'm going to put something like this. Then I'm going to put click here to grab AI stack at a discount today. So I'm going to put something like this. So I'm going to copy this and have it in like 4 places inside this article. So as you can see, so I'm going to click on that again, make this bold, and I can turn it, I can decide to put it something like this. So I'm going to copy this and have it in like 3 places or 4 places inside this article. So that's how you make money. And once you are done, you click on next, then you publish it, then you wait for the money to keep coming. But wait, the result doesn't come that easy. You have to keep working. So instead now, you can still put to ChatGPT, like you can write okay, you put something like write additional, or let me say follow up article for the content, or you can put for the existing content. So if you put that in, ChatGPT is going to write another article for you, which you can publish again, and you can do that over and over again. So make sure you have like 2-3 articles before you promote another product. So once you have 2-3 articles on a particular product, switch to another one, and you still write articles about that, and you keep promoting that. With that, result is going to come. If you get the best value from this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, share it to your friends, and I will see you in other video of mine.